Wisconsin Broadcasters Association. Absolutely thrilled to welcome you here.
Hey guys, Terry Simpson, Vice President of CFP Broadcasting and the former chair of the Young Professional Committee here, Wisconsin Broadcasters, having a great time here at the Toolbox. Thanks for being here.
Hello, my name is Michaela Graham. I work at Freedom Project Media, and I'm here at Lambeau Field for the Toolbox with the Broadcast Association of Wisconsin. I love the speakers. It's a lot of fun.
You do what you love, you're never working a full day in your life, and I think that's so true.
Keep that spark, find the good in each day, because each day does have good in it. Sometimes you get a little harder than others, but
challenge yourself, challenge the people you work with. What we get to do isn't what we have to do, and we should appreciate the opportunities that we have.
Ryan Brahman with CHA for Broadcasting, and this has been just a wonderful experience. Hearing from people about branding, about mental health, and then also the Q&A session we had was just wonderful. And then getting to see how the broadcasts happen on the Jumbotrons at each game was just incredible. And then now we get to eat some food. Who's going to complain about that, right?
Hey, I'm Gabriella Rusk. I'm the chair of the Wisconsin Young Professionals Committee, and we're just wrapping up a day here at Lambeau Field. We got to see inside an exclusive look at what the control room looks like on a game day, so that was really cool for all of us broadcasters, and it's been a great day so far getting to know one another.